Hello there beauties, I hope you all are doing amazing. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys this makeup look, and since it is around the corner, so I thought it would be perfect for day or night outings. So please keep on watching if you wanna see how I do this. So I have already finished my base makeup and now I'm going to do the eyes. So first I have primed my eyelid with this Freedom concealer, and I'm setting the concealer with a face powder. You can use any face powder but you need to set it very well. Then for today's look, I'm going to use this Focallure nude palette, and from the palette I'm taking this light mustard color as my transition shadow. And now you guys can buy Focallure products from peekaboo.com. They are one of the authentic seller of this Focallure brand. Now I'm going in with this dark burgundy color shadow to intensify the crease more. After blending the matte shadows, I'm taking this light champagne color with my finger and applying on all over the eyelid. I found this shadow gives more pigmentation when applied with fingers. Now I'm applying this Stila liquid glitter shadow in the shade Diamond Dust all over the eyelid and blending in the crease line. Now I'm tightlining the upper lash line with a black kajal and also highlighting the brow bone. Then I'm lining my eye with this Sigma Legend liner, and I'm not doing any wing today, just a thin line. Now I'm applying my favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Taking the same shadows and applying on my lower lash line, followed by mascara. Now I'm putting this beautiful Lola Cosmetics lash in the style Goddess. These are so lightweight and dramatic and also easy to wear. Now going back to face makeup, and I'm contouring my face lightly with this sleek contour kit. And I'm using all Focallure new brushes. They're really soft and works great. Now I'm applying this Isabelle Dupont Terracotta blush in the shade Rose. These are so pigmented and you need to go very light-handed. Now I'm taking this blinding Amrezy highlighter. As lipstick, first I took this Milani Loved shade. On top of that I applied this Isabelle Dupont Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade 604. And the mixture gave me a nice peachy nude shade. And I'm finishing off my makeup with this bladescu Rose Facial Mist. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you all liked it, and as you guys can see, this is really easy to do. And I'm going to see you in my next video. So till then, take care and lots of love, and advance Eid Mubarak.